Hello, welcome to this video tutorial on calculating your estimated energy requirement. A great way to understand if you're eating a healthy diet or not is to understand how many calories you require to maintain your current weight. This will be your estimated energy requirement, or EER. You need to know the following pieces of information before you can calculate your energy or calorie requirements. Number 1, your height in meters. We'll learn how to convert your height in feet to meters. 2, your weight in kilograms. 3, your age. 4, your personal physical activity, PA factor. It's also important to understand that there are different equations for males and females. This is the equation for men 19 years and older. Estimated energy requirement equals 662 minus 9.53 multiplied by age plus physical activity factor multiplied by 15.91 times weight plus 539.6 multiplied by height. This is the equation for women 19 years and older. Estimated energy requirement equals 354 minus 6.91 multiplied by age plus physical activity factor multiplied by 9.36 times weight plus 726 multiplied by height. Now, let's practice filling in all the information. We will pretend we are calculating the calorie needs for a 28-year-old female. She is 5 feet 3 inches tall, weighs 127 pounds, and says she exercises about 40 minutes per day with a brisk walk. Let's figure out her weight in kilograms. To convert pounds into kilograms, divide the pounds by 2.2. So in this case, divide 127 by 2.2, which is 57.7. You must also convert her height into inches and then into meters. Her height in inches is 63. You can come to that conclusion by multiplying 5 feet by 12 inches. There are 12 inches in a foot. Then add the extra 3 inches on top of that. So 5 multiplied by 12 equals 60 plus 3, which equals 63 inches. To convert 63 inches into meters, divide it by 39.37 because 1 meter is equal to 39.37 inches. You get 1.6 meters when you do that division. The last thing we need to consider is the physical activity, or PA factor. Given that she walks 45 minutes per day, let's give her a PA of 1.12. The estimated energy requirement equals 354 minus 6.91 multiplied by age plus the physical activity factor multiplied by 9.36 times weight plus 726 multiplied by height. The estimated energy requirement equals 354 minus 6.91 multiplied by 28 plus 1.12 multiplied by 9.36 times 57.7 plus 726 multiplied by 1.6. A reminder, do the calculations within the parentheses first. Calculate this. The estimated energy requirement equals 354 minus 192.48 plus 1.12 multiplied by 540.07 plus 1,161.6. Remember to do the calculations within the brackets next. The estimated energy requirement is equal to 540.07 plus 1,161.6 multiplied by 1.12 plus 192.48 subtracted from 354. Now, Multiplication comes before addition. The estimated energy requirement equals 192.48 plus 1,905.87 subtracted from 354. The estimated energy requirement equals 2,066.39. So this means that for this individual to maintain her weight, she will need 2,066 calories per day. If she wants to gain or lose weight, she can adjust her calorie level accordingly, or she can increase her physical activity. We will talk more about this when we discuss weight management later in the course.